2025 Mercedes-Benz GLS. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You'll absolutely love all of the included premium features such as automatic parking, cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, seat massage. Make an appointment today to test drive this popular model.